Hello again. I'm going to continue my work on question 11. So bigger than 90, those have to be congruent. One angle is 18x plus 4, the other 19x minus 3. So it makes more sense to move the 18 rather than move the 19. Okay, so I'm left with 1x minus 3 equals 4. Okay. Yep. All right, now I'm just going to add 3 to both sides, and I get 7. I can plug this back in to check my work, but for the time being, I'm going to move on. Now let's trace the angle less than 90, trace the angle less than 90, so that means they have to be congruent. The two angles are equal. Minus 5 plus 15x, 15x plus 7. Okay, it makes more sense to move 13 things than 15, so I'm going to move these over here. Still have the other parts of the problem. Addition, property of equality. Ooh. Getting a fraction. So anytime I get a fraction, it doesn't mean I'm wrong. I'm just going to double check that I wrote it out right. So I had 15x, subtracted 13, got 2x, added 5, and 7 plus, oops, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that fixes it. Sometimes when I get a fraction, it means something went wrong. Other times, it just means, okay, you got a fraction. Now I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, and x is 6. Good. Trace the angle less than 90, trace the angle, oh yeah, 80 is less than 90. Those have to be congruent. Okay, add 5 to both sides. Divide 17 to both sides. Five. 60's less. Ooh, that one's more. Supplementary. Definitely they're different. So when two angles add up to 180. 60 and x plus 127. So I'm going to combine these two terms, 60 and 127. I get a negative, but that makes sense. If I plug that back in, negative 7 plus 127 is 120, and 120 plus 60 is 180. Awesome. Do-do-do-do. Okay. These look across from each other. Those are vertical. They look close to 90, but either way, since they're vertical, I'm kind of giving this one away. I know they're congruent, so I better set them equal to each other. 7. Now it's easier to move 11 than 12, so I'm going to move the 11x and then copy the problem back down. So this would be 1x left, and this is just 1 over there. Adding 7 to both sides. Cool. Okay. Ooh, this looks like a linear pair. One's less than 90, one's bigger, so that's got to be supplementary. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So that's 46x. And then I got to divide by 46 on both sides. Good. One's small, one's big. That means they can't be equal. So they have to add up to 180. Now these are a little longer problems, so you might want to copy them on another piece of paper, but I'm going to try to squish it on here. Combine this and this. Combine this and this. Subtract 9, subtract 9. Divide by 57. Ooh, that looks like a linear pair. So they both look close to 90, but it doesn't matter. Together they make a straight line. So they might be equal, but they definitely together make a straight line, which means they have to be supplementary. So I get 12x plus 6 plus another 12x plus 6. Wait, they would be equal to each other, right? Those are the same expression. All right, I'm still going to do it this way, but that's right. This has to equal that. Let's go ahead and add them up to 180. So I get 24x combining and 12, subtracting 12 on both sides. Dividing 24 on both sides. I get x is 7. Ooh, one's skinny, one's big. Definitely supplementary. So 130 plus 25 has to equal 180. Okay. Last one, before we have to do the angle relationships. I'm going to say smaller than 90, bigger than 90 has to be supplementary. So I have to add them together to make 180. So these would combine. Cool. Thanks for joining us. Watch the next video, so I guess it's a third video, to find out these angle relationships. Thanks for joining us.